Hi friends, welcome to Radhika's kitchen. Today I'm going to make soft and tasty Palappam. It's a famous breakfast in Kerala. So the ingredients are 2 cups of raw rice, and I've soaked it in water. Soak it for at least 6 hours. Then we need 1 cup of cooked rice, half cup of thick coconut milk. If you find it difficult to take fresh coconut milk, you can use coconut milk powder. 4 teaspoons sugar, salt as needed, 1 teaspoon yeast, and 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Water should not be too cold or too hot. It should be just above room temperature, or else the yeast will not ferment. Now let us see how to make Palappam. First take yeast in a bowl and add the lukewarm water. Now add the sugar and mix it nicely. Now let's wait for 10 minutes for the yeast to rise. If yeast does not rise, it means it is not good and the appam will not come out well. Now let us see how to make the batter. In a blender or a mixie, add the raw rice and the coconut milk. Blend it until the batter is smooth. Now add the cooked rice and blend it till smooth. Batter is now ready. It should be little thick and smooth. Let's move the batter to another vessel. Add the yeast and mix it well. Add salt. Now keep this batter outside in a warm place to ferment for at least 8 to 12 hours according to the weather in the place you live. Let me check after 8 hours. The batter has fermented nicely. Now let's make the appam. To make appam, take an appam pan and pour a ladle of batter. Now hold both sides of the appam pan and rotate it so the appam batter is spread everywhere. Just rotate it 2 times. Now close the pan and the appam will cook in steam about 2 minutes. About 2 minutes is over. The appam is cooked now. Check whether the middle part is cooked nicely. Now let's move the appam to a plate. Soft and tasty appam is ready now. Potato stew goes well with appam. If you want a recipe, you can click on this link. Please try this recipe. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.